What's up? It's me, Cassy Vlogz / tutorial, and today we are baking a chocolate cake with Anesthesia vlog. And go to her channel because she has a video on a recipe for making maha blanca. Sift 1 cup of all-purpose flour. In total of 3 cups of flour. You sift 1/4 of a cup of cocoa powder. Next, you put 2 teaspoons of baking soda. Then, put 2 teaspoons of baking soda. Then, 1 teaspoon of salt. Then you mix it up. Next, make a wheel in the middle of the dry ingredients. Add 1 can of evaporated milk. Also add oil and eggs 3. Add 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. Add 2 and 1/2 cup of sugar. Shape and then put some oil in it and then pour the mixture in the baking pan.
This is ready to put in the oven.
Yes, it's ready to put in the oven. Hi, my baby. Hi. Wait, di mo pwede yan eh.
Tap. Remove the bubbles.
Yes, remove the bubbles. It's important.
Okay, we're ready to put this now.
Away.